gold, I'm staying away from gold. I don't have no opinion at the moment, because right, that brings back another topic that I want to quickly go through. We've got 21 minutes anyway. So when you do your analysis and you can convince yourself, I call it a 50-50, you can convince yourself that, okay, I think price can go up, and also convince yourself, I think price can go down. When you have this condition, you want to just skip that pair. Okay, I repeat again, if you have a chart and you can analyze it and say, okay, I think price can go up or price can go down, that's a 50-50 chance. Do not take anything on that pair, because if you can justify both sides, that price is going to go up and at the same time price can go down, it probably, if you take anything, it probably can do both. And because you're not 100% sure, you probably do the one that you're not sure about. So if you say it's going to go up, it's going to go down, and if you say it's going to go down, it's going to go up. So that's a little trick to kind of avoid taking unnecessary loss on a pair that you are not sure what it's going to do. So if you have a 50-50 probability that, okay, this pair can go up or this pair can go down, then don't take a trade, right? And that's what I'm seeing on gold, is it has a mixed analysis, where by looking at the daily, price has taken out this low, okay, and it can go up. At the same time, we have this low, that high, price breaking down, and we've broken below this low, and it can go down. Which side would I favor? If you just look from a big picture perspective, okay, price is making lows. Okay, from a big picture perspective, price is making lows. So I will favor downside from where we are, okay, and the fact that they took out this low as well, I'll favor downside more than upside because of this that I'm seeing. At the same time, if you look at now, zoom out here, you can see this, and this could be the low that takes us above this high. See that? So you can justify both sides of the market, that it can do both. Okay, and this could be, let me put the fib so you can see what I'm saying. This could be a retracement, and that will lead us into what? A continuation to the upside. Okay, and this was the impulse leg that is starting the leg to come up here, and this will be the retracement. So therefore this would be something like this, okay, to now take us right back up again. Okay, so I can justify both sides of the market, and if you can do that, then it's not something you should be taking a trade on. All right, so because of this, I don't have no opinion on this pair at the moment, on gold at the moment. So let's wait and see. Maybe in the next 2 days it will do something, and then we can play with it. Okay.